we've been told by the weather forecast man that we should expect some more light showers and windy situation. But it's not so cold. It's not so cold because some of the wind comes even from the east all of a sudden. But it's already been very welcome rain for the area here. So Norman, thank you very much for the contact. Very shortly I have to close down for my breakfast email. So thank you very much. Have a good evening, and we'll see you again. Louis 7 Victor Fox for Boston, London, so you'll find out. Bye-bye. Thank you, Howard. Thank you, Steve. Glad to work you, and as usual, your city is doing an excellent job into the West Coast here. You enjoy your breakfast, and I will enjoy some sleep later on. 4X4 Bino and Victor Fox. Bye-bye, Steve. Bye-bye, Norman. It was my pleasure. QRZ for the West Coast, 4X4 BL looking for West Coast, over.